the initial suggestion shocks Jagan because he was not expecting that particular request from the otherwise comment from the son, right? Mali needs to become a writer. Mali says, I want to become a writer. Yesterday we discussed that. Stopping school and suggesting that he wants to become a writer is a little critical, right? Sometimes your brain says something, your heart denies it. Your heart says something, your brain says no for that. So there also we find a conflict is going on, right? You find brain and heart are embodied like two people, so they fight to get the decision. That is what you call intrapersonal respect, right? So again, he notices economic transformation as well. It is basically from agriculture-based economy to industrial economy. She comes to India, Mali brings her to India. And both of them have kind of ulterior motive in coming to India. But anyway, the problem that I find here is there is lack of hedging. We become quite judgmental.